guess. Supply nutrients and be anchors for oh. I think they're pissed off. What do you think? So I got this launch spot. It's gonna be tough. Gotta get down to the beach. Alright. Don't forget to put the water quality meter in the water. Let's see if we can sneak up on it. Looks like a sea lion. Oh, it's a dog. Are you kidding me? It's a dog. This bank armoring is pretty common along these suburban shorelines here in Puget Sound. Armoring can have a lot of impacts on near-shore habitat. So it's interesting to see what the condition of these different armoring structures are and how much of them there are. So we just entered Lincoln Park. It's near the southern end of West Seattle. And you know, you think we could see some habitat changes in terms of how the conditions and the function of the nearshore area looks. But what I'm seeing is, you know, that there's a legacy bank armoring even in the park. This is an area where you might expect that the opportunity to remove that armoring would be high. Got a ton of sport fishers up here on the bank. You're gonna have to go around them. See that swimming pool there? That's a saltwater pool. It takes its water in from Puget Sound. It's pretty cool. Okay, we're coming up on the Vashon Island ferry dock. There's the ferry coming in right there. Pretty exciting stuff. I'm due for a battery change. So I'm gonna pull up on the beach here. And take care of that while you guys can watch the Vashon ferry come into the dock. Cool sculpture, kind of off in the middle of nowhere, just out of the blue. I like it. I wonder what this place is. There's a bunch of birds up here. Looks like a little spit that sticks out. Not sure why it's a gathering place, but let's see if we can find out. Once we get up close enough, I'm gonna stick the camera under the water, see if we see any little fish or food sources that these birds might be hanging out here for. All right, we're coming up on Seahurst Park. This is our takeout. This looks like a fairly, undeveloped beach. Not a bad place to have a wedding.